the chairperson of the Assam State Commission for Protection of Childcare, Sunita Changkaktati, speaking exclusively to Northeast Live, said that the issue at hand, especially that of discrepancy in the number of children, the shady foreign funding angle, and not producing the kids before the Children's Welfare Committee, are matters of serious concern and require thorough probe. Listen in.
National Child Rights Commission, along with the Assam State Commission for Protection of Child Rights, has conducted a joint inspection on 5 Markazul Maarif run childcare institutions. So, ma'am, what triggered the entire exercise?
The National Commission for Protection of Child Rights, they requested the Assam State Commission for Protection of Child Rights to conduct an inquiry because they have got a complaint. They received a complaint from one organization named Legal Rights Observatory, and so they took cognizance under Section 13 of JJ. They took cognizance, and then they requested us to conduct the inquiry. So accordingly, a team was constituted, and the team, 2 consultants from NCPCR along with the ACPCR team conducted the inquiry. So that was on the basis of by taking cognizance on the basis of a complaint against 5 Markazul Darul Yatama of Assam in several districts.
So, ma'am, now talking about the findings, I mean, did you find any blatant irregularities so far as maintaining the standard norms of those, like, childcare institutions are concerned?
Yeah, there were the inspection team found there were many discrepancies. Like first of all, 2 of the Markazul Yatama were not registered under JJ Act of 2016, and then as per Section 31 of JJ Act 2016, the children of the childcare institutes have to be produced before CWC, but it was found that the children have not been produced before the Child Welfare Committee. So this is a very big offense. Without producing any child before the Child Welfare Committee, no child can be kept in the CCI. So that was a big offense the team found. Then secondly, there was a discrepancy of number of children as published by published in their website. There was a discrepancy of 300 children who were unaccounted. So that was a big concern for us because the National Commission for Protection of Child Rights and State Commission for Protection of Child Rights, they are always concerned about the well-being, safety and security of the children. So when this discrepancy was found, the commissions are really concerned about the whereabouts or about the safety and security of the children. So that was a concern for the commission. And then thirdly, the children, it was also found that the children are not given any formal institutional education under Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan. So that is also any child should get formal education under Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan. That is a mandate in everywhere, but these children were not found to be getting formal institutional education. Then fourthly, one of the Markaz Darul Yatama Dhubri, it was found that this Yatama has been receiving funds from an international organization named IHH for implementation of Akika project in 2016. So it was found that a list of children have been sponsored sponsored under this project. But as per information available, this IHH, it is a Turkey-based organization, and law enforcement agency of Turkey government has already interrogated IHH for its involvement with some militant organization. So this is a great concern for us because these children are getting funds from IH, Turkey. So these are the findings which really concerned the commissions.
Our report says that close to 300 children are unaccounted for, as the official information provided says that there are over 1,000 children in these care institutes, but in reality, only or less than 800 children were found. So, how serious is this fact?
Yes, there is the discrepancy of the number of children, and the commissions have taken this very seriously because this 300 number of children has been unaccounted, and the commission is concerned about the, as I have already mentioned, the commission is concerned about the safety and security of the children, and so that is why this the commission has suggested the recommendation in its report. The commission has recommended that some inquiry should be done to investigate on this issue.